Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the ultimate in outdoor comfort with the 360° Swivel Folding Camping Chair. This versatile chair features a smooth 360° rotating base, allowing you to maximize your vision and enjoy a noise-free swivel experience, perfect for activities like hunting, fishing, or simply relaxing in nature. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools, and while the first setup might need a bit more effort due to the high-strength fabric, subsequent assemblies are quick and easy. Built with durable aluminum tubing, this chair can support up to 300 pounds and remains stable on uneven surfaces like grass, sand, or gravel, thanks to its non-slip, crisscross leg design. Measuring 22 by 20 by 29 inches, the chair is crafted from soft, waterproof, and wear-resistant 900D Oxford fabric with a breathable mesh back, ensuring ergonomic comfort for extended use. Lightweight and portable, it folds easily into its convenient carry bag, making it perfect for camping, barbecues, picnics, and more, while its easy-to-clean surface ensures hassle-free maintenance. So, whether you're heading to the beach or setting up camp in the woods, this swivel camping chair is your go-to companion for outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.